Yo, what's up? It's Duke here. I'm coming here with a quick word. I want to talk about setbacks and stagnations. It's kind of been like a going running theme for the few past days, but we can view setbacks and stagnations as a point of failure or a point of a sign that you can give up, or you can view it as what it really is basically an indicator of maybe we should modify a few things here and there. Maybe we should look over a few things, and this could be just you simply resting more, giving your body time to adjust. It could be you adjusting your calorie intake per day. It could be backing off of your workouts a little bit or increasing your workouts a little bit. There are a lot of different factors and indicators that affect the numbers on the scale that you see, and what further influences things to be a setback or stagnation. But these are things that we have control over, and sometimes it just takes patience, and sometimes just resting will be the solution to you getting over an obstacle or getting over something that you may face that you interpret as a setback or a stagnation. So be patient with yourself. Know that mistakes will be made. Know that setbacks and stagnations aren't signs of failure, but rather an indicator of maybe you should rest or make small little tweaks and changes there to get over an obstacle or get past an obstacle. All right, peace.